Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. I seek refuge in Allah from the shaitan the stone. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. With the name of Allah, the most gracious, most merciful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. The question has been asked, is Islam really established in the kingdom of Allah? Let us know from the Quran what Allah is saying about this regard. Surah number 3, Al Imran, ayah number 83. Allah says, أَفَغَيْرَ دِينِ اللَّهِ يَبْغُونَ وَلَهُ أَسْلَمَ مَنْ فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ طَوْعًا وَكَرْهًا وَإِلَيْهِ يُرْجَعُونَ. Do they seek a religion other than Allah's deen? While to him submits whosoever is in the heavens and the earth, willingly or unwillingly, and to him shall they be returned. From this verse, we know very clearly that Islam is established in the kingdom of Allah, willingly and unwillingly. This is the truth. I hope you have got the right answer from the Quran.